Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the pointed scissors. Gasoline. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. The train is approaching Snow Mountain. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Wow! We can build a snowman now! It's so cold! Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves! Now I'm ready! Let's go and build a snowman! Great! Now we've made the body of the snowman. Next, let's find some branches to make the snowman's arms. Wow! You found all the branches! Drag the branches and stick them in the snowball. Let's choose a pair of beautiful eyes for the snowman. The snowman will look better with a nose. Finally, let's add some decorations to it. Wow! You've made a beautiful snowman! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. Great! You've loaded the goods! Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Gasoline, firecracker, utility knife, fruit knife, firecrackers. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Ooh. Thanks! Thanks! We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery. The train is approaching Desert Slope. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner.
Let's have a sandboarding race!
Cool sheep.
Yeah!
Kiki. Candy. Ready. Great! You finished the race! Let's attend the presentation of prizes! Awesome! You're the first place! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. Uh-oh, the track ahead is disconnected. Choose the correct track to connect it. Good job, you fixed the track! Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the... Thanks! The train is approaching grassland pasture. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner.
Let's milk the cow and make some milk tea!
The cow is a little dirty. Let's clean it first. job! The cow is clean now! Oops! The cow is a little upset! Let's cheer it up! That's great! The cow is happy now! Next, let's milk the cow together! Now we've got milk. Let's make some milk tea. Brick tea. Milk. Butter. Salt. Stir it. Great! The milk tea is ready.
Let's eat!
Please pour me a cup of milk tea. I'm so full! The food here is so good! Dear passengers, we are arriving at the terminal station. Please check your belongings before you get off.
Miss Mimi!
Everyone, this is the end of our journey. See you next time.
Bye!